Hi guys, hope you are doing well and having a good time. Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the shopping that I've done in past few weeks of Black Friday and the holiday season that's been going on, and great discounts were there, and I had to shop. And I don't know if you all know, I have a bug of photography and videography. So I before even coming to Canada, while I was in India, I used to practice photography, but now I am more into videography plus photography nowadays. So there's bunch of products that I've bought and really excited about some of them, which I'm going to unbox here in front of you and want to share what all I have bought. So let's quickly start the video. Alright guys, the first product that I've got is this Pocket Flash 8200. This is from Godox. I always loved the studio photography, but here, since I don't have a space like, studio, of course, this particular room, I'm going to make it a studio very slowly. This is more of my edit room and my office, and I can have a nice backdrop setup, and with two stands, and with green screen also I can play around. But I wanted something like this. The effects are amazing for this light. Of course, this is more of beginner. There is 8200 Pro, there is then 8600, 8400, and bunch of others which are like really in a advanced way than this one. But for now it solves my purpose. Along with this, I have this Godox V860 on camera flash. So this goes on top of my camera, and of course this is more traditional way of doing photography, where if light is less, and suppose you're in a big hall or somewhere outdoor and you want to click pictures, but there is absent of light for a nice picture, this on camera flash solves the purpose. And let me quickly unbox, and first let me quickly unbox this one and show it to you. And this is how it looks like. Godox 860, and the best thing, doesn't have a AA AAA battery, but it has this battery which is about 2000 milliampere battery, and this is good. One charge goes for about 4 to 5 hours very easily. All right, second one, 8200. It comes in this case like this one. Let's open it. So it's pretty heavy, and also it comes with a battery, like I'll show you. This one is a little more bulkier, and this is also 2900 milliampere battery, slightly bigger than the on-camera flash. And you can set up the power settings here. Alright guys, after this, the next product that I bought is this Synco wireless microphone. It comes in a case like this, and of course this is what I'm using here. And the best thing, it's wireless, I can go far. It's good discount was there at the time. I'll put the link, Amazon link below if you want to check it out. Even for all the products, I'll put the link. 8200 I think is going on sale right now, but anyways, I'll put the link in case you want to check it out. Go ahead. It actually comes with two transmitters. One is here and one transmitter is here. Of course, for my YouTube videos as well, this is for Gagan and this is for me. So two transmitters are here and one receiver which is on top of the camera. And the best part, it comes with a lot of wires, a lot of accessories, and I just love this. Have tested it before. It works amazing. Voice quality is superb. Loved it. Alright, along with this, there are few other items that I've recently bought. They are all related to photography. Some new tripods, one camera bag. I'll show it to you later, but first let me come to the main part, which I'm really excited about. Alright, first of all, I bought this one, DJI Mini Mavic. This is the first or the older version of Mini Mavic, which is lesser than 249 grams, less than 250 grams, and you're allowed to fly it anywhere. Not anywhere, there are still restrictions, but you don't need to have a pilot license. So I bought this one. This is the older version, and Gagan has gifted me this one, which is DJI Mini 2. And of course this is latest. It has better picture and video capability, that is 4K 60, which is amazing, and also it captures the raw pictures, which is amazing as well. So let's unbox DJI Mini 2. DJI logo here, and yeah, nice black color. 3. Okay, here comes a controller. Here is the teeny mini drone. My god, it's so small. Just imagine, guys, have a look at this. And it comes with this box written accessories here. It's a little bit more of paperwork in this one. Kya cheez hai yaar. And the best thing is this one, I think it only comes with a combo. Okay, you can, it's more like a carrying case. If you're carrying it somewhere and you don't want it, you know, it to be dangled like this, you just put this case on top of it, and this is how it is. These two definitely are going back. This, and this Mavic Mini 2, 4K 60 FPS, raw pictures, flies in a windy situation. I was so excited for this, and really excited to fly it and show you the awesome footage I got with this one. And there are a bunch of more stuff that I bought, quickly showing it now. Alright guys, coming to the next item. This is my camera bag. I'll put the link in the description in case you want to check it out. Vanguard is amazing company, and of course Lowepro is the one which everyone knows about, famous for making camera bags, and this is another alternate in case you want to go for. Of course it look a little simple, but that's what I like about it. Alright guys, the next item I've got is this 2-screen combo. This is amazing. It's from HP 24F dual monitor. I am not a habitual of looking at a wide screen, which are very famous. I've seen it's so cool, but I wasn't so habitual of it. And of course, while doing the office work, I wanted to have 2 screens, and this was a nice combo. I got it for about $280 something, $280, and it was a good deal. The next item I've got is this HP Omen laptop. This laptop is pretty good for the regular editing which I'm doing, not so heavy, but the regular editing for pictures and the videos that I'm doing, and also the regular office work. Bought it from Amazon, got a nice deal. Link will be in the description in case you want to check it out. And yeah, it's currently attached with the screens behind me, and this is pretty much all what I bought. There are a few other packages which has some lights and tripods, tripod stands and stuff that I haven't unboxed it yet, but I'll be soon doing it and making a video in case you like it, because I don't know, many of you might know and they follow me on my Instagram, that is Gundeep555. In case you follow me, you've seen the pictures that I post and the videos that I post. So if you're interested, let me know. I can post more things about it and maybe a little bit behind the scenes of that. In case you're interested, please put in the comment section below. And that's it guys for the video. Wanted to share with you all the stuff that I bought for Black Friday. There are still other stuff that is lying here, and it's a little messy in my room as always. There is a gimbal that I bought. I don't want to make it more on, you know, the filmmaking here. That's why it's a mixture of all stuff. And of course the highlight here is my sweetie smallie DJI drone. Really excited to fly this. I'll show you my first flight experience, how the video comes out to be. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Hope you have a good one.